WPP stars, welcome. My name is Kenny Friederichs from restaurant Latour in Grand Hotel Huis Ter Duin in Noordwijk, located in the Netherlands. And we're gonna prepare the next dish for you. We're gonna start with sole, and we're gonna make a T-bone of it. So first I want to show you the process. So this is the sole. I already took off the head. Now we're gonna cut the thin fillets off. Like this, and also the other side. We're gonna put them later back on the T-bone. It's a little bit easier to take it off first. Now I'm gonna cut the bones on this side. Now I'm gonna give it a little wash because of the blood. And now the hardest part. We're gonna cut the fish from the middle. Very careful of the bones. And it has to stick on the middle bone of the fish, like this. Now we're gonna do the other side. Very carefully, because we need all the fish meat. We don't want to waste it, of course. So now we have the bone in the middle, and we're gonna cut it a little bit to make it a little bit shorter. Like this. Now we take, we give it a little brine normally, but I'm gonna show you a little bit faster. Here we have magic powder. It's called transglutaminase, and now we can stitch the smaller fillets on the bigger ones, like this. Now we put it on top, near the edge, and also the other side. And we're gonna put the thicker part of the thin fillet on the smallest part of the thick fillet, so it will be a little bit straight. And then we have the farce from all the fish trimmings. Put it on top. Then a little bit of the transglutaminase again. And now we can roll it up carefully. And this is the way we do it. So it's a nice T-bone. Now we're gonna wrap it in foil and we're gonna steam it in the oven. The oven is on 52 degrees, and we put it in the oven for 22 minutes, like this. Welcome back. We're gonna prepare the dish now. So the sole is in the oven, and we make it warm in a little oil bath. And in the meantime, we're gonna make the dish with the leek. We have the white part of the leek, and we cook it in the green part. So we make an oil of it. So we use everything. We also made a cream of the green part, and here we have an emulsion of horseradish. Give it a little bit of spicy note. Now we're gonna add herbs and salty flowers, salty herbs, I'm sorry. Some mizuna on it, a little bit of the mustard flavor. This is called zeemelden. Also a little bit salty. And we did marinate it with a green herb oil. Now I'm gonna take out the fish. Cooked very slowly in the oil. A little bit of salt on top. Not too much because it is already brine. Now we're gonna add a little jus made from smoked herring, and we also add some horseradish to give it a little bit of power. So WBP stars, this is the sole, the T-bone of it, with preparations made of leek, some fresh herbs, and sauce made of smoked herring and horseradish. Hope to see you soon in restaurant Latour.
Welcome back in the dining room. We have a new combination with the sole or the T-bone of sole from our chef. Because he's working with Dutch ingredients, I'm looking also for wine in the region Netherlands. This is not over the border, Belgium, Domaine Pietershof. It's a Dutch winemaker. It's made of 100% Pinot Gris. A little bit wooded, so the creaminess is very nice in combination with smoked herring in the sauce, but also very nice with the radish, horseradish. And I think the Dutch and Belgian wines are growing in the opportunities in the wine world.